Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can measure the arc length. First we will create a 3-point arc, and now we want to measure the straight length of this arc. We have two methods. First we will use list command, type li, enter, and select the arc, enter. Here you can see that the length of the arc is 639. Second method is click on annotate. Here, click here and pick here arc length. You can see that it is 639, and we will verify with list, and it is also 639. So this is the single arc. Let's say we have a multiple arc here. Now I will add one line here, and I will create another arc. So now we want to check the state length. How we can do that? First, we have to make a single entity. For that, we have to type here join, select this one, enter. Now it is a single entity, and here you want to see the state length of this shape. Type here li and select the object. So the state length is here 3110. So in this way you can check the state length of the multiple arc or lines with the help of the list command. Hope you understood how we can measure the state length of the arc in AutoCAD.